For Jeny's stretchy bind off and rib, what we do is when we're on a knit stitch, we have the yarn at the front of our work, so as if we're going to purl, but if we knit the stitch, which creates an extra stitch or a yarn over, and then we cast off that stitch by passing the 2 stitches behind it over it, and then when we're on a purl stitch, we do a yarn over. So when we're doing a yarn over on a purl stitch, we wrap the yarn around the needle once and then bring it round the front to the purl side, purl the stitch, and again we've created an extra stitch, so we now pass those 2 over the front stitch, and this creates a nice stretchy bind off in rib, which is great for a neck edge where you don't want the neck to be too tight. And that's how it's done.